So the flexor fully tore off the bone this time. And so from my understanding, he's a little bit more optimistic about that because he's able to kind of reattach the whole thing versus just trying to fix a small part of it.
I know everyone at Beacon, everyone's great there, and I know everyone by a first name basis on the rehab side and technically in the surgical room too. So everyone's pulling for me, and I want that with someone that I'm going to trust with and operating on me.
When you're going to go in for a third Tommy John, you better do some soul searching, some thinking, some planning. You've got to have alternatives for everything. What's the bone like? What's the tissue like? How much graft can I use? Should I use an internal brace? How am I going to fix the flexor mass?
What I think everybody needs to realize, it's not a simple operation, but the goal would be, quite honestly, to be able to sew it back, whip stitch, internal brace, flexor mass back on, would be great. Okay. I trust you guys there, and I got you. All right.
When I go into an OR like that, and I know what I'm going to do, I am focused, thinking of what I'm going to do here, and in 2 steps what I'm going to do there, and what this person needs to do there to set me up for this. And that nothing will be left undone.
My wife was there for the first time, so she got to experience the whole thing, and the viewing room is incredible.
I was a little bit nervous about watching the surgery. He really wanted me to, but it was really nice. They had a nurse in the room. Taylor was her name. She was great. She really walked me through everything that was going on, which kind of just put me at ease.
You want to talk about teamwork, just see that whole team working together, and everybody had a job, everybody had a purpose. It's just amazing, all the little pieces that come together.
I feel great because, I think we really helped him. I feel good about that. And I want to give him all the options he wants, whether it's coaching, pitching, trying to come back to the big leagues. I want this to be his decision and not a decision because of his elbow.
Success is to have this surgery, to get my flexor fully reconstructed, whatever timeline that looks like, however long that takes. I think if I start throwing again, the Reds give me another opportunity. I go to the minor leagues, maybe rehab, and prove to them that I'm worthy of being on the team again. But like I said, right now I just want to step away, focus on getting this healed up, and then once I start moving a little faster and maybe start getting a ball back in my hand, I do start thinking about that stuff again.
Velocity is king in the world of baseball right now.
Throwing a baseball 90 miles an hour, that is a superhuman feat.
Technically, any throw over 75 miles an hour is inherently dangerous.
It's our job to educate. It's their job to listen.